She's the main feature of the Bremerton creature. Lou actually told me about that. Hello, and welcome to Low Budget and Local, the YouTube channel that highlights Washington State and everything going on in it. This week's episode, we're going to do another spotlight show. So, we're going to talk about a simple yet interesting topic. This week, well, before I talk about what this week's topic is going to be, I have to give a special thank you to the good woman who brought it to us. Thank you, Vicky, for helping us to become even better at what we do. So this week, we're going to be talking about a landmark located right here in Bremerton, Washington. People walk past it every day, but very few realize that it's actually there. Oh. Yeah? Okay. Really? Fine. Okay, whatever, dog. So, he said I should just go ahead and show you. And I guess that's what we're gonna do. This is the Harborside Fountain Park, with the ferry terminal on one side and the shipyard on the other. This whole area used to be a section of the shipyard, but was purchased by the city for more money than I actually want to say on camera. The fountains that you see around me were designed by a company out of Sun Valley, California, called Wet Design. The park itself was opened in 2007, but it was not without its troubles. Around 2016 to 17, upkeep on the fountains started to become an issue. Plumbing, environmental concerns, all started to add up, and the city finally had to shut them down at one point. However, whatever the past issues may be, the fountains are going now, so if you missed your ferry to Seattle, now you have somewhere to wait. Back to you. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Low Budget and Local, and a special thanks to Vicky for giving us that topic idea to help us make this show more awesome. As always though, if you have an idea, a topic, a story, whatever, please send an email to lowbudgetandlocal@gmail.com, all one word. Again, that is lowbudgetandlocal@gmail.com, or you can contact us through our social media handles. But until next time, hit like and subscribe, and as always, stay local.